Hi, I'm Chin Yi Wei. This video talk about the quality characteristic of enterprise architecture. The information is extracted from a paper written by Hayami. In this video, I will first talk about the introduction of this topic and then the problem statement stated by the author, the methodology to conduct this study, and also the result and discussion. And last but not least, the conclusion. Enterprise architecture has been developed with the aim of increasing IT manageability. It gives a holistic specification about strategy, key activities, information, technology, functions, and their effect on business processes. EA affect not only internal resources but also external relations. Lack of enterprise architecture or an existence of a weak design will cause inconsistency and resource wasting in the organization. So, enterprise architecture design must be evaluated precisely in order to estimate its practicality. But what properties does a good architecture have? The methodology of this study is to conduct comparison with other quality models. The comparison aspects include depth and acceptance of the quality model, as well as to investigate the number of proposed model properties of other models. Quality models are used to explain and determine qualitative properties and the characteristics of EA software. And here are some examples of the quality models. These models are presented as three constructions of qualitative properties and their relations. Let's have a look at the ISO IEC 9126. It gives a quality model in terms of coverage of quality characteristics. It has more expansion than other models and determines software quality more. There are two fundamental concepts that we should look at when we determine EA properties. First, based on the determined purposes and definitions. Second, follow the quality theory in software architecture. And now, let's look at the result of these studies. The proposed quality characteristics include alignment, convergence, maintainability, security, reliability, efficiency, integrity, and usability. Software quality is described in terms of several quality characteristics and defined through sub-characteristics to be more tangible. Both characteristics and sub-characteristics are qualitative, which means they are not directly measurable and they need to be described as precisely as possible in order to become concrete and tangible. The refinement is continued until the software quality achieves a series of measurable metrics which are directly compatible with the considered characteristics. Some characteristics turn into metrics after the refinement stage. And now, let's look into each proposed quality characteristic. First, security. It provides legal accessibility, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Maintainability adapts business processes and strategy to new conditions and decisions, which means it needs to be flexible. Alignment illustrates coverage rate and provide goal requirement and function by means of application. Fourth is efficiency. It should show the best use of IT system. Next, usability and implementability. It's about necessary time and expenses for performing. And then, integrity. There are three types of integrity, which are integrity in framework, in data, and application integrity. Also, the convergence. Architecture must be convergent and have the same direction as the goal. Last but not least, reliability. Is about accessibility range of service of EA element. Finally, we have come to the conclusion. EA can be a practical tool to increase the management power on IT of any organization. It creates harmony between the elements of IT to achieve organizational goals. This paper came up with a model to define a good EA that can be used in EA evaluation and also used as an analysis of strong and weak points of EA design. It also helps stakeholders to have a correct comprehension about EA. Thank you for watching.
created using Powtoon.